Today we're taking off LSDs, right? Once we get it out, you'll see where the seals on the side need to be changed and the gasket on the cover needs to be changed. It's leaking all over. Then we got a coilover right here that's leaking that needs to be replaced, and a bunch of junk right there in there that we're gonna get to eventually. Are we ready to slide this thing out?
Yep.
Yeah? Alright, so what do I need to do?
I need so I can pry.
You mean one of the pry bars I just got?
Yeah.
Hey, it moved.
Yeah, it's gonna go forward first. Once it goes forward, it's gonna come down.
Oh!
And that's gonna
That mustache bar almost hit you in the mustache.
Alright, now it's ready to come out.
Now it's ready to come out. Oh my god. So, that was crazy to get out. We got it somehow. So basically there's where the spare tire went to get the differential in. I mean, we had to drop the subframe and there still almost wasn't enough room to like actually get that differential out.
It's not even touching the other side.
So
We're in there.
but it's out. Oh my god. So we already changed the driver's side seal, and Junior's getting this passenger side seal in place. But we're not going to be able to finish putting it back together. We're going to have to replace this. The gears are kind of worn a little bit on this side and loose. So, but we do have the seal for this. We'll put the front cover back on too. I'm gonna have to order that. All right, so now we're taking the interior out. We got the seats out. So why are we taking the interior out? To take care of stuff like this. The professional wiring job right there. And we have to cut the tunnel in order to put the emergency brake in. But why is that a problem, Junior?
Because if we slam on the brake, this 2x4 looking thing right here, it's gonna collapse.
So just don't hit anything, it's fine.
Can't hit
You get the
anything.
brakes, just don't run into anything. God. Some people got those quick release benders, right? Where you can take the bumper off,
Yep.
right? It's quick release. What we got is quick release back seat. Watch this.
We're in there.
That's quick release.
It's racing.
Oh. Alright, so we've got the tank out. We took the sub out and we're almost to the point where we can pull the amplifier that was driving the sub. So it's a bunch of junk, right? It's just junk. It's just junk. But we're gonna fix it. Junior, what are all these wires?
It's for racing parts.
Why do you need all those wires?
More electricity, man.
Oh my god.
Each wire is 20
This is
horsepower.
annoying. I'm just gonna start cutting stuff soon. You feel how like brittle that is? God. And that capacitor is going too. I'm gonna charge it up and throw it at him. What do you tell them, Zuka?